Namaste everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special topic to discuss, India's Independence Day. As we approach the 15th of August, it's time to reflect on the journey of India's freedom and celebrate its 76th year of independence. So, let's dive right in and explore the significance of this remarkable day. Before we delve into the celebrations of this year, let's take a quick trip down memory lane. On August 15, 1947, India broke free from the chains of a 200-year-long British rule, marking its first step towards becoming a sovereign, secular, and democratic nation. Now, here's where the confusion often arises. If we consider the very first Independence Day in 1947 as the starting point, then 2023 would technically be the 77th year of independence. However, some count from the first anniversary in 1948, making this year the 76th Independence Day. This year's Independence Day celebration carries the theme Nation First, Always First, as part of the Grand Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav celebration. The government aims to honor India's rich cultural diversity through a series of programs. Independence Day goes beyond a mere holiday, it's a day when the spirit of freedom unites every Indian, transcending barriers of class, caste, religion, and gender. The iconic imagery of tricolor flags for sale at every corner, streets adorned with tricolored kites, and the illuminated India Gate paints a picture of hope and unity. As we celebrate the accomplishments of the past 76 years, let's also remember that the journey towards progress and unity is ongoing. Let's embrace the spirit of Nation First, Always First and work together to create a stronger, more inclusive India. So, there you have it, the story behind India's Independence Day 2023. As we stand on the threshold of the 77th year of independence, let's take a moment to cherish the sacrifices of our forefathers and the progress we've achieved. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Thank you for joining us today. Happy 76th Independence Day, India. Until next time.